Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza like Domino's at home. Preheat your oven to 500 degrees F and use a baking steel or stone, stretch dough to 12 inches, and aim for a thin center with puffy edges. Use high-gluten flour and a short cold ferment for better flavor. Assemble with a light layer of sauce, even cheese coverage, and bake quickly for a golden, bubbly finish. Start with a simple dough formula using high-gluten flour and 60% hydration for elasticity and chew. Mix until the dough is cohesive, then knead until smooth and elastic, roughly 8 to 10 minutes by hand. Chill the dough for a short cold ferment to develop flavor while keeping handling easy. When ready, divide, rest for 20 minutes, and gently stretch to the desired 12-inch size for even cooking and a nice crust. In this video, I will show how to make pizza like Domino's at home. Quick recommendation: grab the Owala water bottle for easy sipping while you knead and bake. It's leak-proof and fits cup holders for busy cooks. If you like the content, please subscribe and hit like to support future recipes, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For a Domino's style sauce, use crushed tomatoes with a pinch of salt and a touch of sugar to balance acidity. Keep toppings minimal and distribute cheese evenly to avoid a soggy center, and layer pepperoni or veggies with slight spacing. Brush the crust edge with garlic butter before baking for that signature savory finish. Bake hot and fast to melt cheese and char edges while maintaining a tender interior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.